So, it's about 5:30 in the morning. We're just doing a little stretch on the floor. Yeah. Doesn't want to go back to sleep right yet. Gotta get all the energy out. Right? Haha. I know. I know. Just had some food. And we're working it all through. Yes. Say hello to everyone. Say hello. Okay. Oh, we're rolling. Rolling. Say hello to the cat. Meow meow meow. Meow meow meow. Meow meow meow. Meow meow meow. Doo 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 doo. Alright. Let's try this.